Is it hot in here, or am
Yes, it is.
am I going through the change?
It's hot. It's hot in
Is
here.
it?
Yes,
No,
it
it
is.
is.
It's
hot.
really warm in
Yeah.
here today.
It is.
Open the door. Do something. I don't know. Somebody, help push a button.
There's
Wow.
Somebody construct a window for us. If we only had somebody
Wow.
who was an expert in the field of construction and home improvement, we could maybe put in a new window here in the studio.
Hi, Gomez and Dave. What's your name?
What's my name?
It's Sam from JK.
Sam, how are you?
Okay.
Sam, how do you put
kidding
a
you.
window in a place? Do you
Yeah.
cut it with a
First you hire a
chainsaw?
contractor.
You hire a contractor. I want to do it. Dave
You
wants
wanna
to
do
do
it?
it.
It's like 80 degrees in here. So it's real warm. Yeah, we're
Oh,
opening
my
the
goodness.
side door to Galaxy Communications World Headquarters.
Well, you have to
Jigsaw.
call World Head. We haven't turned on.
Yes. Quite simple. Anyway. Wow. Okay, Sam, we like to address home improvement questions, and I know you have one this week. What do we got?
Well, we have a great one from Katie in Clinton, and she has a white painted wooden rocker, and the paint was actually guaranteed for the life of the chair, but only after 2 years it's chipping.
Uh-oh.
And she can't return it because the place went out of business, and
Oh.
wants to know how to restore it properly, and she'd like to keep it white, and she wasn't sure if she needed to fully strip. However, I recommend painting fully clothed if possible. It's a lot easier to clean up.
Good one, Sam.
Yeah. And then she wants to know what to do. So it's really actually quite simple. Depending on why the paint is chipping, and that's always important, it's not really a good sign if it starts chipping that quickly. So the best way to do it, remove everything just to eliminate problems in the future. And once you strip the chair down, you want to prime it. And we would like to recommend a good oil-based enamel underbody because that goes on nice and smoothly, and it sands nice and easy to give a nice professional look. And then top coat it with a good enamel. And I'll tell you what, that should last a long time. Maybe some of the wear areas on the arms might need touching up now and then, but a good, that old-fashioned oil-based gloss, either gloss or satin finish enamel, does a super, super job.
Cool.
Good.
Very good tip. Good question. Great answer, as always.
Now,
And
when I see something guaranteed for life and it chips after 2 years, maybe the life of the chair was only 1 year.
aha,
Yeah.
little gray area there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whose
Wow.
life are they talking about?
That's
Yeah.
right. I don't know.
Hey, Sam, thanks. As always, every Tuesday, it's your morning wood, and make sure to make it to JK Lumber and take advantage of their Everyday in May sale. It's going on right now. And keep the questions coming to us. It's GomezandDave@gmail.com. Hey, Sam, thanks.
Thank you, and have a great week.
You
Yep.
too.
Check in next Tuesday.
Yep, bye-bye.
All right, that's Sam from JK.